Hey girls, we're the LipChicks.
I'm Susan.
And I'm Winter. Today we're going to talk about BrowSense.
BrowSense and how it saves our brows.
Yes, it makes awesome, beautiful brows.
It does, and eyebrows are important.
They are so important. They totally frame your face. Jinx. And it's awesome because it is waterproof, it's smudge proof, and it's not going to get all icky when you get all sweaty or if you go swimming. It just stays. It's totally amazing and you're going to love it.
Totally amazing.
Yes. So how we do, actually, okay, so it's amazing and it comes with, it's a two-sided process.
It has a spoolie on one side and a brush on the other. We have different colors, but I think we both use the same, right? Light?
Yep, I use light.
I use light as well. We also have taupe, auburn, and dark.
Yes, dark. So how you do it, everyone can do it differently depending on how you want to apply. I like to use the brush that it actually comes with. I really like it, but there is other ways that you can use it. And
yes.
Susan's gonna show this brush.
Yes, so this brush is an angled brush, a small one. So you could also use a brush. And when I do that, I don't like to have too much product on. I just get a little bit off of the brush right here. And then I go through and then I paint the brows. And I like that it's angled because it makes it look a lot better, just right in the perfect direction.
Perfect. And the way that I do it is I just get off, and sometimes I wipe off, sometimes I just take it, the way it is, it depends. And I just apply it to the area that I need to be filled in, because I'm missing hair in certain areas, which I know a lot of people have that problem. So I just fill it in really good.
That's my favorite way to do it too, is with this little brush.
Yeah. And then I just brush it over.
Easy to use.
Just brush it and it smooths it out. And I just keep doing that. It's like you're painting your eyebrows, but it's awesome. Like once it's on for the whole day, waterproof, smudge proof. It's not gonna go anywhere. It's amazing.
I like to start from the middle where I need the most color. And I love that this just matches right up to my brows.
Yes, I love it. And I love the brush because you can control the hair, but it also like brushes it through so that it's not cakey, and it just makes it so that it goes on evenly, which I love.
Yes, you could also take out the stopper to the BrowSense, which I have not done on this one, but it's very easy to take out this little stopper here. You just use your fingernail and do that, and you can take this spoolie here and actually go and then just dip it right in, and then you can go through and fill out color. Or you can use it to kind of brush through your brows before or after you put on color, like Winter said, so that way it's not like gunky and stuff. It's very clean for me. I never feel like I have gunky brows at all.
Never. I love it. The brush definitely makes it so it's even.
Yeah.
You don't have to worry about.
My favorite way. It's
yes.
Microblading in a bottle.
It's total microblading in a bottle. It's amazing. I love it. Look, it already looks like 10 times better.
So there's my brow that's done.
I love it.
And then this one needs to be done. And brows are so hard to love your brows right. I feel like most people, that's their thing that they are sad
brows
about.
Brows are hard.
Yeah, brows are hard. So I love that we have this BrowSense to help us because
yes.
It has made my life so much easier and it just stays.
Yes, so much easier. And I'm not gonna lie, sometimes when I'm in a hurry, I just let it go for 2 days. And it'll last, ladies, so it's okay. If you're a mom and you're busy, don't worry about it.
Don't you worry about it.
It'll last for 2 days.
Yeah, 2 days, maybe 3. But let us know your favorite tips for brows.
Yeah. Bye. Thanks, girls. See you later.